Hello, my name is Christy Ruby, and I'm a librarian at Eastern New Mexico University. And today I'm going to show you around our library site and how to access some things that you'll need as a student. All right, and here you have our main enmu.edu page. And you can get to our website, our library website, just by scrolling all the way down to the bottom, and where it says library, click on that and it will take you to our page. You can also access it from the portal. On the left-hand side, there is a library link, and then from Canvas, there should be a course-specific link as well that will be there in your Canvas guide. The first thing that I want to show you are some resources that are going to be available all the time, whether we're open or not. The header at the top of the screen features some very useful things. Here we have our About, and then we have our Special Collections stuff, our Help With buttons, our Log Into buttons, our library account, ENMU portal, or off-campus access buttons, as well as the regular ENMU website will also be here. The slider on the left features different informational guides as well as videos and announcements. You can click the arrows manually and switch to see different announcements, but it does also slide on its own. The One Search right here allows you to search all the things that the library has access to. Right underneath the One Search, we have a bunch of icons that direct you to different places like our chat, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, our calendar, as well as our government documents guide. The hours box right down here shows the hours that we are open, as well as important announcements regarding the building hours and access. The Find section of the website features all of our databases, electronic journals, electronic reserves, like when a professor places items on reserve for students at the library electronically, you'd find it right here, our open educational resources, and our research starters, which also contain special subject guides that we put up throughout the year. The services section of our website includes the instruction request form, Interlibrary Loan link, media services, the reserve a room form, the suggest and the purchase suggestion form as well. And if you click on the chat icon, either this link or this Ask Us button, when it pops up, you can type in when it's online, you can type in your name and then ask us a question. And if we're offline, you can actually click on that right there, and you're able to submit a question this way. I do want to go over a couple of things regarding our One Search and just how it works. I'm going to type in a super simple keyword. I'm going to type in feminism here. And one thing that is important to note is that I typed in one word rather than a question. Databases and library searches prefer when you search one word or two words. Things formatted like a question generally are not going to yield results that are very good. And then here you see that I have the authentication page that happens whenever you're off campus. And you'll just click, you will follow the instructions and go ahead and click login, and you should be able to access our stuff. If you want to, you can also force the login, and you can log into off-campus access before you do a search if you want. And here you'll see I have all the results that I got. And here we have a recommended research guides option. Sometimes you'll even have a start your research box that pops up right here, and that's basically an encyclopedia article about whatever you're searching. It doesn't always show up like it's not right now. And then to get to the articles, you'll either click the title or you'll click on the first option here. Just something to note, the first one is usually going to be our best bet. They sort of go down in order of preference from there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, just so you can see you are able to access the thing right there. And one thing I want to note, librarians can help you with any part of your research process, whether it's looking at the assignment, formulating a thesis or a question to explore, or doing the actual research. And if you need help with writing or formatting styles, such as MLA or APA, we do encourage students to use the Writing Center, and that's always free of charge. And I'll make sure to leave the link for that at the bottom of the YouTube video. And you can also find it on our Eastern New Mexico University site. And the last thing that I really want to point out is our Interlibrary Loan link right here. That is a free service that's provided to students and faculty and staff, and what that does is that allows you to request an item that we don't currently have in full text or we are missing in our library from another library, and we'll get it to you as soon as we can, and again, that's completely free of charge. I do have another video going over that on the About or the Help With page. And the last little thing I want to go over is the Help With button. You can just click on I need help with either library tutorials, or if you're having some kind of technical issue, you would click on that and submit a ticket. And that's all I have for today. Thanks.